we continued to work on the user interface for audio dev. So if we start from scratch, here we will install a Go project. And we start audio dev on Podman, for example, and we can open the user interface for this dev file. So we have added several things. We have added the possibility to create volume and to mount volume into containers. So for example, I will create a volume of 1 gigabyte. And now when I create a container, I can select this volume to be mounted into some path. And I can create a volume on the fly. If I select new volume here, I can create the volume here. An ephemeral one. I create it, it is selected here, and so I can mount it here. And so when I create the container, the volume mount are defined here, and the volumes are defined here in the list of volumes. Another thing we have worked on is to add more fields, more parameters when we create a container. So here now we have the name and image of container, which are the required information. We can define the command and arguments of the command. We can add environment variables. We can add volume mounts, as we have seen before. We can add endpoints with the complete information for endpoints. And there are more parameters. We can define the resource usage for the container, the memory requested limit and the CPU requested limit. We can define if the sources are mounted into the container or not, and if so, on which directories they will be mounted. And we can add annotations to the deployment and the service created by audio when creating this component. We have also added 4 resources and images if they are built at startup for image or deployed at startup for resource. And so it is a free state choice, either never built or deployed, or always built or deployed as startup, or the default behavior to be deployed or built only if they are not referenced by any command into the dev file. And we started to work on editing objects. So for example, for the resources, here we have an existing resource and we can edit it to change different parameters. So here we can change with an inline content. And same for the volume, we can edit the volume, for example, to change its size and different parameters. So that's it for the demo. Thank you.